a significant step in our battle against COVID-19. As more people are vaccinated, it helps us return to the life we all want to live. So this Ohio Vax-a-Million campaign is designed to do just that. This is a public outreach campaign consisting of a series of statewide drawings to increase awareness of the availability and efficacy of COVID-19 vaccines and provide incentives to Ohioans to get a COVID-19 vaccination so we can return to the life that we would like in Ohio. Let's talk about the program itself. Ohioans 12 to 17 years of age who have received at least their first COVID-19 vaccination will be entered into a drawing for one of 5 scholarships managed by the College Advantage Direct 529 Savings Plan. The scholarship will be for an Ohio State public college or university in the amount of the qualifying expenses for in-state tuition, books, and room and board for a 4-year program, 2-year program, community college program, or technical or trade school. Ohioans 18 years of age or older who have received at least their first COVID-19 vaccination if receiving Pfizer or Moderna, or 1 dose if receiving the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, have a chance to win one of 5 $1 million prizes. Now, this is all information that you've been provided already. As we talk about the pool of drawing, I want to note for you probably the biggest change from what you've heard so far about this, about Ohio's Vax-a-Million. We have made a very notable change to the design of the Ohio Vax-a-Million drawing that we announced last Wednesday. After consultation with the governor, Ohio Vax-a-Million will be an opt-in program. We had discussions about using our Ohio voter rolls as well as the opt-in program, but we are asking Ohioans to register for the drawing by visiting www.ohiovaxamillion.com or by calling the Ohio Department of Health call center at 1-833-4-ASK-ODH. Registration is going to be quick and easy. This will be an opt-in program only. We will be drawing from those individuals who opt in, and they can opt in again either by getting on the website or by calling the number, giving the information, and being entered that way. I have with me Ohio Lottery Director, Director McDonald. He's going to discuss the drawing and the schedules. Director, I'll turn it over to you.
Well, thank you very much. We're thrilled to assist the governor and the Department of Health in this exciting effort to motivate Ohioans to get vaccinated. As Director McLeod just outlined, Ohio's vaccinated adults will have a chance to win $1 million, and our youth ages 12 to 17 will have a chance to win a 4-year full ride scholarship, including room and board, tuition, and books to any Ohio State college or university. With this Vax-a-Million drawing, your odds are great too. Every vaccinated Ohioan is eligible by simply entering on our website. So here's the details of how to enter. Beginning on May 18th, you can opt in and enter on the website. If you don't have access to the internet, don't worry, we got you covered. Just call the ODH hotline at 1-833-4-ASK-ODH, and we'll be happy to get you entered. One sign up is good for the entire 5 rounds. And remember, any Ohio resident, regardless of where you got your vaccination, is eligible. Every entry received will be stored in the appropriate Vax-a-Million database based on the entrant's birth date. Immediately following the cutoff date of the collection period, the databases will be reviewed to ensure any duplicate entries are removed. Once the review process is completed, each entrant is assigned a number and will be entered into that week's drawing. Beginning Monday, May 24th, the lottery will conduct the $1 million and the scholarship Vax-a-Million drawings for the next 5 weeks. The last drawing will take place on June 21st. Winners will be announced on Wednesdays beginning May 26th and conclude on June 23rd. The drawings will be conducted via a random number generator and attended by the lottery draw security and IT staff and observed by representatives from the Auditor of State's office. The lottery draw staff will then run test draws to verify the machine works properly using the same parameters as the real drawings. Once the test draw results are verified by the auditor, the real drawing will commence. The draw staff will enter the universe of numbers based on the numbers of entrants into the random number generator. There will be one winner and several alternates selected for each drawing. The winning number will then be entered into the database where the winners will be selected. The report will then be reviewed and signed off by the lottery draw staff and state auditor's representative. The original is filed by the lottery officials. Then the information will be sent to the Ohio Department of Health. The Ohio Department of Health will then verify the eligibility of the respective winners. In the event that the winner has not been vaccinated, the first alternate will be selected and their vaccination will be verified. This process will repeat until a qualified entrant is found. The winners of each prize will be announced on Wednesday during the lottery's regular evening pick 3, 4, 5 drawing, which are at approximately 7:29 p.m. You can check the website for your local listing to watch it live. The first one will be announced on May 26th. Again, for the $1 million prize, you must be an Ohio resident and at least 18 years of age. Vaccinated with at least your first shot before the week's drawing, Sunday at 11:59. So remember, if you want your shot at $1 million, enter online at ohiovax-a-million.com. For the scholarship, you must be an Ohio resident, ages 12 to 17, vaccinated with at least your first shot before the week's drawing, and entered onto the Ohio Vax-a-Million website. And again, the website will launch tomorrow, May 18th at 8 a.m. But if you need help, call 1-833-4-ASK-ODH. We're so thrilled to be a part of this innovative incentive to help Ohio bounce back for the pandemic. Now I'll turn it back to Director McLeod to discuss the verification process. Thank you.
Thank you, Director McDonald. As he stated, an eligible individual, so our first drawing is going to take place on May 24th, 2021. That means if we play this out by May 23rd, 2021 at 11:59 p.m., the individual, in order to be eligible, must have at least their first dose of either Pfizer or Moderna or the one dose of Johnson & Johnson, and they must have entered the drawing through our opt-in process, either through the internet or by phone. They must have entered before those two events, before the drawing takes place. The drawing will take place, the first one, March 24th at 7:30 p.m. and the winner will be announced May 24th at 7:30 p.m. and the winner will be announced on May 26th at 7:30 p.m. We use that time in between for the verification process because we want to verify that the person has been vaccinated and meets the other eligibility requirements as certified to in the opt-in process. All other weeks will follow a similar process. Those who enter Vax-a-Million are authorizing ODH to verify their vaccination records, ensuring that they have received the vaccine. They may also be asked to provide vaccination card for verification at the department's discretion, if in fact we need that as well. If your entry is selected, you will be contacted via the information from your registration form. This is a very exciting time in Ohio. This is a bold initiative, and we are so proud to bring it to Ohioans to hopefully turn the tide on COVID and to continue to bring Ohioans to a healthier state and get the upper hand on COVID-19. At this time, Dan, I'm sure there are lots of questions, and we would, Director McDonald and I would be welcome those questions.
Well, we're getting new details about the state's vaccine lottery, where Ohioans with at least one dose of the vaccine will be eligible to be entered in 5 weekly drawings to win $1 million prize. All Ohioans can be entered to win that. Ohioans 12 to 17 years old can enter to win full tuition, room, board, and books at an Ohio college. The goal of all of this to encourage Ohioans who haven't gotten the COVID shot to get one. Tomorrow, a website for those eligible to register will be set up. That website will be www.ohiovax-a-million.com. There's also a phone number tomorrow, 1-833-4-ASK-ODH. The first winner will be picked May 24th, with the winner's name being released May 26th. If you missed this news conference, you can watch it on our website, abc6onyourside.com, and on our YouTube page. Just search for WSYX ABC6. We'll see you at the top of the hour.